A.I.E.D.U. AI Literacy Snapshots.
Hello and welcome back to Tech Tips with Cameron. Today we are diving into another really cool resource from a very cool website. And this is A.I.E.D.U. So it's an AI education project designed to help us as teachers teach our students about artificial intelligence and getting students ready in a healthy way about the age of artificial intelligence. Is a great resource to continue those conversations that we were having during Cybersecurity Month about starting to be aware of what is happening with media and what is happening with AI. And what A.I.E.D.U. has, highly recommend checking out the website, is this very, very cool AI explorations. So I'm just going to flick through the slideshow and show you what this resource has. Building the conversation about how we can make AI fair for everyone. It's a series of 5, 15 to 20-minute classroom activities designed to help students explore important concepts of AI in a hands-on way. It talks about AI's impact on people and how it can sometimes leave people out. So we're focusing on bias, privacy, access, and fairness. And it's going to allow students to create their own list of fair AI guidelines. So something that you could dive into as a one-off or build into a media literacy program and continue on. There's a clear front matter slide so that you can understand what's going on. Student activities, directions, discussion. It includes all prompts down in the speaker notes below, which is so cool. And we can zip through these as we like. There's a full teacher's guide. We could teach them all. We could spread them all out. We could integrate them. So the first 4 explorations can be taught in any order. And then the 5th one is designed to kind of be the finalize. Let's finish up with this strong project.
Let's get ready for learning.
So the first one is called Talent Scouts. 15 to 20 minutes. What do we need? There's a teacher guide, a student musician data set, and here's what it has. What makes a good band player? Easy conversation. Now, if we know this about these people, short hair, plays violin, favorite color blue, pick 3 students. Now, did we learn anything about their musical skills? Are there any important facts missing? Is this enough to make a fair choice? Well, wait a second. We actually need more data to make a good choice about who to choose to put in the band. Now, if AI was picking a band member, would you give it data set 1 or data set 2? If AI was picking, what would you do? So some look-fors, some common misconceptions, and some teaching tips. AI should use so it can be fair because. So some ways to scaffold that learning for anybody who's struggling to find the sentence. And then what do we promise? Hey, we should give it good data. So it builds that conversation about, hey, the data we feed is what you get out of AI. And that's just one of these 5 resources that they have. Truly a great resource. See you soon.